On to the United States now. Another child has died from measles as America battles its worst outbreak in over 30 years. In the latest, the U.S. Secretary of Health and Human Services met with the parents of the deceased to comfort them. This is significant as Kennedy, who has been labeled a vaccine skeptic earlier, has now expressed concern about measles, mumps and rubella vaccine during a visit to West Texas. In the past, Kennedy has been criticized for downplaying measles risks and the efficacy of vaccines in general. Not just that, he's also been found to be making false medical claims, including that vaccines are linked to autism. During the COVID-19 pandemic, he opposed the state and federal restrictions imposed and was even accused of spreading misinformation about the virus. The U.S. has been grappling with one of the worst measles outbreaks in decades. As per the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, 607 measles cases have been confirmed across 21 states this year, more than double the total for all of 2023. Texas alone has reported 481 cases, which marks the highest statewide tally in decades. Even as measles remains one of the most contagious viruses globally, but it's preventable with vaccines. As per the CDC, 97% of the current U.S. cases are among those unvaccinated or those with unknown vaccine status. Therefore, it's only vigilant to vaccinate as many people as possible to prevent further outbreak. Having said that, is the U.S. downplaying the disease at this point? That's also a question that has been asked, with U.S. President Donald Trump saying that the measles outbreak in West Texas had only involved, so far, a fairly small number of people, adding that the disease is nothing new. Listen in.
To you about the measles outbreak. There was another fatality today, and what else would you like to see in terms of the response?
Well, I think they're doing reports on it. It's so far a fairly small number of people relative to what we're talking about. Something that people have known about for many, many years. I mean, measles has been, this is not something new. And we'll see what happens. But certainly, if it progresses, we'll have to take action.
Important to note here that the U.S. had declared measles eliminated in 2000, meaning there was no continuous transmission for over a year. But experts warn that ongoing outbreaks could change that picture and even reverse the status in a way, thus putting more and more people at risk. Can or will the Trump administration do more to address this is the question. To stay up to speed with the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.